very well be the slowest airplane you see today, but it is nonetheless beautiful, and they are all heritage warbirds. The PT-17 Stearmans.
In case you're wondering, made primarily out of wooden fabric with a steel tube fuselage. The Stearman were one of the strongest trainers built during World War II.
Stearman, the Naval Aircraft Factor end-to-end, November to November.
Maybe the word that comes to mind to you as I saw them, I thought just majestic. The sky over PDK, the scattered high clouds. That are flying at this point. That airplane's main role was in the sinking of the carrier Lexington for Carl C. Back when it was when it actually had the